Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will understand chemical properties of acid for class 10th. One question may be asked from chemical properties of acid. So let's start. First property is acid reacts with metal to give metal salt plus hydrogen gas is released. Acid reacts with metal to give metal salt plus hydrogen gas is released. This is the characteristics property of acid as well as metal. For example, we take sodium metal plus HCl. What will happen? Sodium is more reactive than hydrogen. It will displace hydrogen. As a result, sodium chloride is formed plus hydrogen gas is released. Again, in first chapter we have understand the displacement reaction. So this is again a displacement reaction. Sodium is more reactive than hydrogen, so it displaces the hydrogen and hydrogen gas is released. We can balance the reaction. But all metals does not react with acid. It depends on the reactivity of a metal. Very high reactive metals like sodium, like potassium, like calcium, they react more vigorously. Means they react very fast with the acid. It all depends on the reactivity series of a metal. The metals above hydrogen in series can react with acid to liberate a hydrogen gas. Easy. But there are two metals like copper, like gold. They never reacts with the dilute acid. They may react with concentrated acid, but they never react with the dilute acid. Easy. So reactivity of metal and strength of acid determines the rate of reactions. If reaction is vigorous, it means metals are more reactive. If reaction is slow, metals are less reactive. If reactions are very slow, then metals are very less reactive. Clear? Let's take some more example. Zinc plus sulfuric acid H2SO4 to give zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Again hydrogen gas is released. From where this hydrogen comes? It comes from acid. Question may ask, how will you prove that acid contains hydrogen? So simply react acid with metal. Metal will displace hydrogen and hydrogen gas will release. Clear? But chemistry of nitric acid is slightly different. Generally, all metals reacts with acid to liberate hydrogen gas. But in case of nitric acid, reactions are slightly different. Let's take some example. Nitric acid HNO3, it acts as a oxidizing agent. In fact, strong oxidizing agent. So it oxidizes liberated hydrogen to water. If it is oxidizing agent and it reduces itself to its oxides, nitrogen oxide. Three different types of oxides are formed: N2O, NO and NO2, depending on the metals, which type of metal oxides, nitrogen oxides are formed, and it also depends on the nature of nitric acid, either it is dilute or concentrated. So chemistry of nitric acid is slightly different from other acids. Clear? But there are two metals which reacts with nitric acid, hydrogen gas is evolved. Those two different metals are manganese and magnesium and manganese. They react with the nitric acid to form hydrogen gas Mg plus HNO3 to give magnesium nitrate plus H2. Similarly, manganese react with nitric acid to give MnNO3 twice, MnNO3 twice plus hydrogen gas is released. But other metals give water. Why? Because nitric acid will oxidize this hydrogen to water. Let's see example. If we take copper with the nitric acid and this is concentrated. So instead of hydrogen we will obtain a copper nitrate plus nitrogen dioxide plus water. So there is a slightly difference. In case of magnesium and manganese we obtain hydrogen, but other metals give water. Why? Because nitric acid acts as a strong oxidizing agent. It oxidizes hydrogen to water and reduce itself to its oxide. Clear? So this is the first property. Acid reacts with metal to give metal salt plus hydrogen. Again this hydrogen gas is odorless, colorless and pop sound is observed when hydrogen gas is released. Clear? This is the observation property. Odorless gas is released, colorless gas is released and gas comes with a pop sound. Clear? Now second property. Second property is acid reacts with metal oxide. Acid reacts with metal oxide. As a result, metal salt plus water is formed. Acid plus metal oxide to give metal salt plus water. For example, we take HCl, metal oxide, MgO. What will happen? Again, this is double displacement reaction. MgCl2 plus water. Magnesium chloride is metal salt and this is water. This is the second characteristic reaction. Acid reacts with metal oxide to give metal salt plus water. Let's take one more example. Sodium oxide plus sulfuric acid. Sodium sulfate plus water is formed. We can balance the reaction. Clear? First metal, second metal oxide. Difference is in metal we obtained hydrogen, but in case of metal oxide we obtained water. Clear? Third property is acid reacts with metal carbonate to give metal salt plus water CO2. Reacts with metal carbonate to give metal salt plus water plus CO2. Let's example. Acid again, I have taken sulfuric acid, metal carbonate, sodium carbonate, and CO3. Again double displacement reaction. Na2SO4 plus carbonic acid is formed, but it is a weak acid, unstable. It dissociates to give water plus CO2. Clear? Let's take one more example. Magnesium carbonate plus HCl. Again this double displacement reaction. Magnesium chloride plus water plus CO2. This is the third property. Acid reacts with metal carbonate to give a metal salt plus water plus CO2. Again, this CO2 is the observation property of a reaction of acid and a metal carbonate. When this CO2 is passed from lime water turns milky. Easy. This is the observation property of a acid plus metal carbonate reaction. CO2 gas will release and this CO2 will turn lime water milky. Clear? This is the third property. Next is a acid reacts with metal bicarbonate to give metal salt. CO2. Acid reacts with metal bicarbonate to give metal salt plus water plus CO2. What is bicarbonate? For example, acid we have HCl, NaHCO3. HCO3 ion is called bicarbonate ion, or simply we can say sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Reactions are very simple. Double displacement reaction again. NaCl plus water plus CO2. Clear? This is the fourth property of acid. When it reacts with metal bicarbonate to give metal salt plus water plus CO2. Clear? Next, fifth property is acid reacts with metal sulfide to metal salt plus hydrogen sulfide gas. H2S is a hydrogen sulfide gas and it has the characteristic property, it has a rotten egg smell. It has a rotten egg smell. Let's take example, acids, HCl, metal sulfide, you take any metal sulfide, MgS, MgCl2 plus H2S. Question may be asked, a metal sulfide reacts with any compound and a rotten egg gas smell is observed. Identify the other chemical. You will say other chemical is acid. Clear? This is the fifth property of acid reacts with the metal sulfide. Clear? Sixth property, acid react with the base. In first lecture we also have seen neutralization reaction. So again it is a neutralization reaction. Acid reacts with base to give salt plus water. Let's see example. Acid, HCl, base, NaOH. This is acid, this is base. They neutralize each other effect. What will happen? NaCl plus water. It is a neutralization reaction. Clear? So these are the 6 basic chemical properties of acid. Clear? In next lecture we will understand chemical properties of a base. Easy? And one thing more, whenever you write the reaction, please balance the reactions. Easy? That's it for today. And don't forget to press the bell icon for further videos and further notifications. Stay tuned at my channel. Thank you.